Cue the music and dim the lights. It's time to tackle cybersecurity, but with a twist. Breaking the monotony with a humorous yet vital message. Think before you click isn't just a slogan, it's a mantra for digital safety in our ever-connected world. In the video, Cybersecurity Awareness, Think Before You Click, funny but serious, we're reminded of the real-world consequences of our online actions. An inattentive click on a deceptive link can lead to a cascade of not-so-humorous outcomes. Here's a lighthearted look at why every click matters. Malware Rhapsody. A hasty click could lead to unwanted software taking the stage on your device. Fish and chips. Spear phishing emails bait with curiosity, potentially landing you in the net of data theft. Updates and Encore. Regularly skipping updates is like denying an encore to security performances that patch vulnerabilities in your system. Security's stand-up act, passwords, make them strong and keep them secret. Treat your password like your toothbrush, don't let anyone else use it and change it every few months. Public Wi-Fi, that free public Wi-Fi might not be your friend. Consider it a comedy club. Enjoy the laughs, but keep your valuable belongings close. Backups. Regular backups are like the best sidekicks. They've got your back when your data's in danger. Take action, the punchline of cybersecurity. Think before you click pause. Is that email from your boss or a bossy scammer? Verify, hover over links to see if they're guiding you to safe harbor or leading you over digital cliffs. Update, make a standing ovation for updates. They're the unsung heroes that keep your devices secure. In a realm where cyber threats play the villain, awareness and vigilance are the heroes we all can embody. Remember, each click carries power. The power to keep our digital lives harmonious or turn them into a slapstick routine of mishaps. So let the laughter be for the enjoyment of a clean, secure, and harm-free browsing experience. Think before you click. It's funny, but it's serious.